How to find your Gmail phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find your phone number of your Gmail account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Play Store app from your device. You will land onto a page like this. Then tap onto your initial on your top right. Here you will see Manage your Google account. Now also make sure that this is the same exact account that you would like to view your phone number of. If not, change your Google account to that Gmail account. After you tap on Manage your Google account, you will see a page like this. Then tap on Personal Info tab at the second option. And at this page, if you scroll below, you will see all your email address and your phone number. To view it, simply tap onto Phone. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.